Hello everyone, today I'm going to walk you through the process of creating a stunning mockup using Canva. Whether you're a designer, entrepreneur, or just someone looking to spice up your presentation, mockup can be very useful to showcasing your ideas in a visual way. So let's start. Okay, so we are in Canva right now, so let's just go to elements. We need to go to elements. When you're in elements, we are looking for frames, then we go to search, and then we go to see all. Okay, and then you select this one. Okay, let's just change the background. All right, let's just increase the size a bit. Okay, we then go back to elements, and then we look for ring binder. Let's search ring binder. Okay, and then we go to see all, and then you choose the one that you love. Let's just take this one. Let's decrease the size of the binder. Okay, perfect. Let's just increase the size a bit. I think it's perfect. And then we are now looking for the image, so we go to upload, and then we grab this image. Perfect. I think it's perfect. Okay, and then we go to text. Let's take we need to name our book. This is for the title for our book, so we're going to name our book Scent of the Africa, and then we move it. I think it's perfect. And then we go to fonts. You click on this one. Okay, and then let's come here on the three dots. You see these three dots, and then you want to change to uppercase because now it moves to small letters, so we need uppercase. So it's perfect like this. Okay, no need to increase the size. I think it's perfect. All right, so let me just come here. Let me just take, okay, that's perfect. Can we change the color of the title? Okay, then now that our image is ready, let's just make sure that we group everything together. Group, and then after you come to share, and then we download PNG. We are using PNG, and then the background is transparent, and then we download. Okay, and then let's go to upload file. And this is the file that we need now. Okay, and then again we come here, we add another page. Okay, this is the image still uploading. Let me just grab it. Okay, let me just increase the size. All right, so now let's go and we duplicate Okay, let's just duplicate the image. Okay, after duplicating the image, and then you come to edit the photo, and then you scroll down to Dew tone, and then you choose custom, and then comes to highlights, and then you change the color to black. Okay, and then you come to position, layers, and then you move this one to here. So we're gonna work on this one, and then you go back to edit the photo, we click blur, and then you say whole image, and then you increase the intensity to I think 30 is fine. Okay, and then we go back. Okay, and then you just put it, let's just put it here. Okay, let's just increase a little bit. Let's go to transparency. Let's just decrease the blackness of our image. Okay, and then let's just group everything together. Okay, that's how we create a mock-up with a shadow. Done. You come here, share, download, PNG, transparent background, make sure of that, and then we download. Okay, I'm afraid we came to the end of our tutorials. I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.